Okay, we're back again.
Wait.
Now to put the code into the tracer, you go into self-learning mode. That's 1000 hash 1D. And to make the MBIC transmit, just remove power from the beam and reapply it. When it restarts, then it sends a test signal, which comes in as such. Okay. Now to save it, press button A. Press button A. Then that would be code. It actually reads back the code that we put into the MBIC, and it's done. Now if you put the tracer into one mode, never mind my colors. You see, as the MBIC transmit, it comes on channel 2 because we programmed it to go to channel. We actually programmed number 9 for channel 2. So, and that's how you do it. Just give me feedback if this helps. Thanks.